Here's how to change company name in QuickBooks. Start from QuickBooks Online while you are already signed in, and first make sure the correct company is open. This matters if you manage more than one company, since the change will apply only to the file you are viewing. Take a brief look at the company currently shown in your account before moving ahead. Once you have confirmed that, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the menu where company level options are stored. In that menu, look for the section labeled Your Company, then click Account and Settings. After the Account and Settings page opens, stay on that page and locate the Company Info section. This section contains the main details tied to the company profile in QuickBooks. You may need a moment to scan the page, but the section name will be visible among the account settings categories. Inside Company Info, find the row labeled Name. This is the field that controls how the company name appears in QuickBooks. When you have found the name row, move to the right side of that row and click Edit. That will place the company name field into editing mode so you can update it. Now enter the new company name in the name field. Make sure the wording is exactly how you want it to appear in your QuickBooks company information. If there is an existing name in the field, replace it with the new one or adjust it as needed based on the name you want to use. After the new company name is entered, save the change to update the company name in QuickBooks. Look for the Save option on the page and click it once. Give QuickBooks a moment if the page takes a second to process the update. When the save is complete, confirm that the new name appears under Company Info. This final check helps you verify that the update was applied to the company file you selected at the beginning. If the new name is visible there, the change has been recorded successfully in your account settings. That completes the company name update inside QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching. Your new company name now appears under Company Info in QuickBooks.